The Art of Wood, exploring the aesthetic versatility of different timber. Albert Albertyn, a seasoned woodworker with a passion for the natural beauty of wood, has dedicated his life to understanding and appreciating the diverse aesthetic qualities of different timbers. One of Albert's key beliefs is that every piece of wood has a story to tell. He sees timber not just as a material, but as a canvas that reflects its history and origins. Every tree species offers a distinct grain pattern, each with its own beauty that can be accentuated through skilled woodworking techniques. The spectrum ranges from the light, creamy hues of birch, evoking a sense of freshness and simplicity, to the deep, dark tones of ebony, which exude luxury and depth. This diversity in timber color palettes, as rich and varied as nature itself, offers endless possibilities for customization and creative expression. The versatility of wood is not just in its appearance, but also in how it can be worked with. Hardwoods, with their dense structure, are more challenging to work with, but yield incredibly durable and long-lasting pieces. Softwoods, being more pliable, are easier to shape and carve, making them ideal for intricate work and detailed carving. He is a strong advocate for the use of responsibly sourced timber, recognizing that the allure and beauty of wood must be balanced with an ethical responsibility to preserve and protect the environment. For Albert, the most compelling aspect of working with wood is the emotional connection that it creates. This emotional bond is what makes woodwork more than just a craft. It's an art form that touches the lives of both the creator and the recipient. From the majestic oak to the humble pine, each type of wood offers unique possibilities for creation and expression. Through his dedication and skill, he continues to explore the endless possibilities of this remarkable material, inspiring others to appreciate the art of wood in all its forms.